Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to play Hakuna Matata from The Lion King on ukulele. So this song is pretty easy to play because there's only 6 chords and none of them are bar chords. So if you're a beginner, I think this will be a good one to start off learning. There is no capo required, so with that being said, we can get straight into the chords. The first chord is going to be F major. Then we have a C major, a D chord, a G7, an A minor, and then last we have a G chord. So now that we have that down, we can move into progression and strumming patterns. I'm gonna start off with single down strums, but then later I'm gonna show you another strumming pattern that kind of picks up the song more. However, this is a good starting point. That way you can get the overall rhythm of the song and understand how it all flows. I'm gonna split up this song into 2 sections. So the progression for the first section is F, C, F, D, G7. Then the next thing that you need to be aware of is how many single down strums you do on each chord. For the first F and C, you do 2 single down strums on each. Then for the next F, you do 1 single down strum. 1 single down strum on the D chord, then on the G7, you go back to doing 2 single down strums. So going through that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll notice that I'm always strumming down on the first beat, and then for the ones that I said I was going to do 2 single down strums, I would just stay on it for longer, and then when you have 1 single down strum, you do have to switch the chord a little bit faster, but it's not too bad once you get the hang of it after you've been practicing. Now I'll go ahead and go through that with the lyrics. Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze. That's all there is to the first part, so it's super easy, and now we can move into the second progression. Okay, so this is gonna be A minor, F, D, C, G, C. I know that sounds super complicated, but you're only doing 1 single down strum on the A minor, 1 on the F, and then 2 for all of the following chords. So counting that out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. So if you're just using single down strums, that's all the song is. You would just keep practicing that over and over until you get it down. However, I have another strumming pattern that I'm gonna recommend because it picks up the song a little bit more, and I personally think that it's more fun. So it's gonna be down, down, up, down, up. And you may have already guessed that for the chords you did 1 single down strum, you would go through that strumming pattern 1 time for that chord. And then the chords that you did 2 single down strums on, you'll go through this strumming pattern twice. So it would be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That was a total of 2 times. And that's all there is to it, so now I'm gonna go through the full thing with the lyrics. Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Down, down, up, down, up. And also on that last part, if you wanted to spice it up a little bit, you could go to the F chord and then go back to the C. So it would be philosophy, Hakuna Matata. So you just quickly go to that F chord, do a little down, down, up, and then go back to the C. And that is everything that you need to know to play Hakuna Matata on the ukulele. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here again for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.